Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my homemade Nyonya Rice Dumpling, or as we call it, Nyonya Chang. It's almost time for the Dragon Boat Festival on May 31st, 2025. And what better way to celebrate than by making these beautifully wrapped, flavor-packed dumplings at home. Let me show you exactly what I used to make about 25 medium-sized dumplings. The ingredients are 700 gram glutinous rice, 100 gram shiitake mushroom, 300 gram chicken breast, 6 salted dark eggs, 120 grams roasted chestnuts, 50 gram dried prawns, 50 gram garlic, 150 gram shallots, and a spice mix comprising of 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon 5-spice powder, 2 chicken cubes, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. The night before, I start preparing everything. I wash and soak the glutinous rice in water. Now here's a little twist. I split the rice into 2 parts. One half gets soaked with butterfly pea flour, giving it a beautiful natural blue color. The other half stays plain white. This gives the dumpling a lovely contrast when you cut it open later. But feel free to use just one color if you prefer. While the rice is soaking, I seasoned the chicken breast and shiitake mushrooms with salt, pepper, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. Letting them marinate overnight really brings out the flavor. I also soaked the bamboo leaves overnight so they become soft and pliable. This makes wrapping much easier and prevents tearing. The next day, I start by blending the garlic and shallots, then saute them until fragrant. Then, I cook the seasoned chicken and mushrooms until golden. Set that aside. Now, it's time to fry both the blue and white glutinous rice with the garlic onion mixture. Then I add in the spice mix, salt, coriander powder, 5-spice, and crushed chicken cubes. And finish it off with a splash of sesame oil for that amazing aroma. Once everything is cooked, I let it cool down while I prepare the bamboo leaves. After that, I take out the soaked bamboo leaves, rinse them and remove any dirt from the leaves and wipe them dry with a towel. Time to wrap. Take 2 to 3 large bamboo leaves, depending on their size. Fold them into a V shape. Avoid folding along the vein of the leaf as it can tear easily. Fill the bottom with some blue rice, then layer in the fillings: chicken, mushroom, salted egg yolk, chestnut, and crispy dried shrimp. Top it off with more white rice. Gently press the rice down, fold the top over, and tie securely with the bamboo string or any string available. Don't worry if it's not a perfect shape. As long as it holds together without leaking during boiling, you're good. Before boiling, trim any excess leaf sticking out. Then carefully place the dumplings into a pot of boiling water. Simmer them gently for about 2 hours, making sure they stay submerged. If using a pressure cooker, be extra careful with the tying, otherwise things might burst. After 2 hours, turn off the heat and let them cool slightly. Now comes the exciting part, unwrapping your homemade Nyonya Chang. Look at that beautiful blue and white pattern, and the aroma, simply irresistible. These dumplings are perfect for gifting or enjoying with family during the Dragon Boat Festival. You can customize the filling too. Pork instead of chicken, black-eyed peas or even mung beans. Since I'm giving some to Muslim friends, I went with chicken. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Also, drop a comment below. Tell me what kind of dumplings or traditional dishes you like to make for festivals. Until next time, happy cooking and have a wonderful Dragon Boat Festival on May 31st, 2025.